5 ways to keep your relationship in balance and still grab some alone time. What if the best thing you could do for your relationship was to step back? No, we're not talking about breaking up with the one you love. Instead, we're talking about the idea of alone time and how it can help you keep your relationship balanced and, yes, make it even stronger than ever. Think about these things. Individuals who take time out for alone time are calmer, more empathetic, and have their emotions under better control than people who don't. Hey, I don't know about you, but wouldn't you rather be in a relationship with someone who didn't lose their cool, saw your side of the story, and was able to look at situations logically? So how can you grab some alone time even when you're in a relationship with someone else? You communicate. The key to any relationship lies in how well you're able to express your needs to one another. If you're needing some time alone, this should start with a conversation with your special someone where you explain your needs and what you hope to get out of it. You might even want to suggest they likewise invest in some time alone. Make a trade. If you want alone time, remember to likewise schedule couples time. Your significant other is going to be more willing to step back and give you some space if they know you still have time for them. You show they're still important. As with any change in a relationship, there's going to be an adjustment period. The main thing your partner needs is to know they're still number one in your life. Show affection. Greet them the way you always did. Give them the reassurance you need, and they'll know everything is still good, if not better. Check in. Ask your partner how they're doing. Let them know how things are going for you, especially after alone time. Let them see you're more relaxed and in a better place when you have a little time. This serves 2 purposes. First, you're going to be keeping the lines of communication open. Second, they'll see the direct results of your alone time and how it benefits them. Give your best. Once you've had your alone time, put the attention back on them. It's time to give your best now that you're in a place where you have it to give. Not only does this show them how great alone time can be, but how much better it makes things between the two of you.